Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of tacos. Tacos are a staple in many cuisines and a favorite for many people around the globe. So, let's explore the deliciousness of tacos together. First, let's talk about the ingredients. Tacos can be made with a variety of fillings, from meat to vegetables, and even seafood. The most common tacos are made with beef, chicken, or pork. However, there are also vegetarian options, such as black beans, mushrooms, or even tofu. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's discuss the tortilla. The tortilla is the foundation of a taco. It can be made from corn or flour, and it's typically about 6 inches in diameter. The tortilla is what gives tacos their unique flavor and texture. Next, let's talk about the toppings. Tacos can be topped with a variety of ingredients, such as lettuce, tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and cheese. Some people even add avocado or guacamole. The toppings can be as simple or as complex as you like. Now, let's talk about the sauces. Tacos can be drizzled with a variety of sauces, such as salsa, sour cream, or even hot sauce. The sauce can add a little extra flavor and spice to your taco. Finally, let's talk about the assembly. Tacos are typically assembled by placing the filling in the center of the tortilla, and then adding the toppings and sauces on top. The taco is then folded in half and enjoyed. In conclusion, tacos are a delicious and versatile dish that can be enjoyed by everyone. Whether you prefer meat, vegetables, or seafood, there's a taco for you. So, the next time you're craving a taco, remember all the delicious ingredients that go into making one. Thank you for joining me on this taco adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy eating!